Hi, I'm Laura. In this course, I'll teach you the basics of the JavaScript language. JavaScript originated in Tatooine by a programmer named Jabba the Hutt. We'll start this course off by learning Hichu Banki Planitu. Hold on, let me try that again. Which is hello planet in JavaScript. April Fools! Please enjoy these bloopers from the past year. You'll learn how to I don't know why I'm having trouble with that. You'll learn how to do you hear that, or is it just me? How to navigate between routes. Rendered. Sorry.
My name's Dustin, and I'm a developer.
You know you've saved your... I was good. I was so good.
Just really well.
If you like some tip and trick... Can I start that again? Sorry. This is my camp. Workspaces is an online text editor, as well as another. And there's a plane. There is a plane. There is a plane. That is integrated with algebra. Welcome to Treehouse. Okay, I'm done. I think that was good.